Welcome to IHC. Today I am going to tell you about mosque. The word mosque originates from the Arabic word masjid, meaning a place of worship for Islamic followers. The Islamic style of architecture is best represented by these ancient structures, which still stand tall in all their original glory. The beauty of these incredible architectural marvels is something to behold for every visitor. Check out these 10 most beautiful mosques in the world, and I bet you that even if you are not a Muslim, your hands will magically rise up and unite in prayer. But before I start this video, please subscribe IHC channel so that you can be timely notified for the upcoming production of IHC. Thank you. On number 10, Malacca Strait Mosque. The Malacca Strait Mosque is located on Palu, Malacca, a man-made island spread across 40 hectares. The best time to take in the sheer beauty of the mosque is at the end of the day, where the contrast of the sky reflects off the stained glass of the mosque. The doorway of Malacca Strait Mosque is lined with the various delicate patterns, while the towers of the mosque have the architectural feel of a lighthouse. The dome of the mosque is not a massive one, but is built marvelously, nonetheless, with the massive crown hanging in the center of it, which is being a must-see for all who visits. Malacca is considered one of the famous tourist destinations in the world. People of the other faiths are also allowed to visit, but if they dress in appropriate and proper attire. On number 9, Sultan Umar Al Saifuddin Mosque. Surrounded by an artificial lagoon, the Sultan Umar Al Saifuddin Mosque is among the most beautiful mosques in the world. The interior of the mosque is both pretty and lavish, with the floor made of the finest Italian marble. The golden dome of the mosque has been created of a pure gold and shines brightly in the night sky. On number 8, Nasirul Mulk Mosque. Nasir al Mulk Mosque is also popularly known as the Pink Mosque. The exterior looks like any other formal mosque, but the interior boasts the remarkable piece of architecture. The inner courtyard feature of the typical arch gates with Islamic architecture, but its unique blue glazed tiles, curved ceiling, and nice Quranic writing makes the mosque a sheer work of art. The interior have ornate arches and crown, all dotted in a beautiful pattern of glazed tiles and fine Persian carpets that create stunning contrast. Colored glass adds shades inside the beautiful mosque. At the crack of the dawn, the stained glass reflects in the surface, forming a wonderful, astonishing pattern. On number 7, the Great Mosque of Makkah. This sacred mosque, or the Great Mosque of Makkah, or Grand Mosque, is the largest Islamic holy shrine in the world. This sacred mosque in Saudi Arabia is built around the Kaaba and has more than 100 gates and several huge towers. Muslims pray facing toward the distinctive black cube known as the Kaaba, partially clad with marble, and a 300 kg heavy door which leads into the room. During Hajj pilgrimage, it has one of the largest annual gatherings of Muslims in the world. On number 6, Blue Mosque. The Sultan Ahmad Mosque, popularly known as the Blue Mosque, is an architectural marvel and is the most beautiful mosque in Asia. The exterior may not catch your attention in an instant. The interior is absolutely delightful. It is filled with 20,000 pieces of blue tiles and is a sight to behold. The central dome of the mosque is supported with 4 half domes that face 4 different directions. The beauty of 6 towers at night is simply breathtaking. On number 5, Tuanku Mizan Zainul Abidin Mosque. Tuanku Mizan Zainul Abidin Mosque, also known as the Iron Mosque, and is located in Putrajaya, Malaysia. Most of 70% of the mosque was built entirely with stainless steel, imported from Germany and China, reinforced concrete to increase the strength of the structure, and fine glass has been used to create an illusion of a fine mosque from afar. On number 4, Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque. Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque is one of Oman's most popular tourist attractions. It is a stunning piece of modern Islamic architecture with the interior of the mosque wall light and dark grey marble with more than 6 lakh fine crystal, over 1,000 halogen bulbs and 42 karat gold plated on the metal bits. Its magnificent tower took almost 4 years to complete. Its carpet is also uniquely designed and is noted for being the second largest hand-woven carpet in the world. It is definitely the most beautiful mosque in the world. On number 3, Hagia Sophia Mosque. The Greek translation of Hagia Sophia is Divine Wisdom, one of the largest and the most beautiful building of the world. Hagia Sophia has a giant dome ceiling with 4 towers surrounding it which are visible from miles. The interior of the mosque is heavily covered with the gold on the ceiling and is enriched with artistically huge marble pillars, walls, floors and columns. Beneath the dome there is 40 windows that allow sunlight to peep through delightfully, giving it a beautiful look. Initially utilized as an Orthodox church in the 6th century, it later was converted into mosque. In 1935, it was declared a museum by the first president of Turkey. Hagia Sophia is one of the most beautiful mosques in Turkey. On number 2, Putra Mosque. The Putra Mosque, constructed with the rose-tinted granite, combines the Middle Eastern and the traditional Malay design elements in its architecture. The dome of the mosque has beautiful features including the stunning illustration on the rose-tinted stained glass window beneath it. It has 3 main functional areas: the prayer hall, the country yard, and various learning facilities and function rooms. The Putra Masjid is the most stunning mosque of the country and is one of the top tourist attractions of Malaysia. Finally, the number 1 mosque is Sheikh Zayed Mosque. The magnificent Sheikh Zayed Mosque is located in Abu Dhabi, the capital city of United Arab Emirates. It has 82 domes, 1,000 columns, 24 karat gold gilded crowns, and the world's largest handmade carpet, which will take your breath away. The mosque is decorated with Greek and Italian marble. The designers have used mosaic to cover the entire country yard. The country yard itself is noted as being one of the largest among all the mosques in the world. A reflective pool surrounds the mosque, amplifying its beauty. It won't be wrong to say that this is the best mosque in the world and the most beautiful mosque in this world. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe IHC channel for upcoming informative videos. Please share this video on Facebook. I will be very thankful. Keep watching IHC and good luck until the next video.